it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game. I'm here with another reaction. Today we are with Jake. Push up, drop, and give me 50. Yeah, that's what the G has said. So the G, this a portion to another one. Yeah. Couple of people get this. Kendrick, Lamar, Rick Ross, Future, The Weeknd, Metro Boomin. Some people get this. So Drake can talk about things. More and big up Zone. Zone reach out and say, yo, bro, you need to react to this. This is what's on the internet right now. And I was like, I don't know. But I finally I'm here. So we're gonna jump in on here with the G I say. So let's go, Mr. OVO.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Straight in. War season, let's go. Alrighty.
I could never be nobody #1 fan. Your first #1, I had to put it in your hand.
No.
Pull up! Yo!
No.
Let's go!
We're not starting with that disrespectful shit in a Drake. We're not starting with that disrespectful shit in a Drake. Too disrespectful in a Drake. Take off my glass, Drake, you're in trouble. Let's go. Yeah.
I could never be nobody #1 fan.
Yeah.
Your first #1, I had to put it in your hand.
Yeah.
You pussies can't get booked outside America for nan.
Hold on, man. Hold on. We're not just gonna speed past the first line like we don't hear what he said. The man say, me can't be nobody #1 fan. You know why? Man said the first #1 I ain't put it in the hand. Who is he talking about? Future. Got to be Future. Future, the man say, you would have never get a #1 if it wasn't for him. So nyam shit. That's what the G said, not me. Nyam shit.
I could never be nobody
#1 fan.
Your first #1, I had to
Put it in your hand.
You pussies can't get booked outside America for nan. I'm out in Tokyo because I'm big in Japan.
The man said, brother, you pussy can't get booked outside of America. You guys got to stay inside the US. You can't travel out right now. Him out in Japan because him big. He's big. He's internationally known. Future, the man's here caught up like Eskimo. Not me.
Never be nobody #1 fan.
Yeah.
Your first #1, I had to put it in your hand.
Rude.
You pussies can't get booked outside America for nan.
No.
I'm out in Tokyo because I'm big in Japan. I'm the hit maker y'all depend on. Backstage in my city, it was friend zone.
The man say, yo, he's the hit maker that you guys depend upon. Him say, if him not shit, you guys can't nyam. If he doesn't shit, you guys can't eat. That is what he's saying, not me.
I'm the hit maker y'all depend on.
Yeah.
Backstage in my city, it was friend zone. You won't never take no chain off of us. How the fuck you big stepping with a size 7 man zone?
Ooh. Shot fire. The man say you could have never taken a chain off of us. How the fuck you a big 7 with a size 7 shoes? Size 7, brother. Who is he talking right there? Kendrick. Kendrick have a song named Big Stepping. The man say, Kendrick, the man say, how the fuck you talk about your big step in a size 7 shoes? The man say nothing.
I'm the hit maker y'all depend on.
Let's go.
Backstage in my city,
It was friend zone.
You won't never take no chain off of us. How the fuck you big stepping with a size 7 man zone?
Rude.
This the part with the bite, nigga, what's up? I know my picture on the wall when y'all cook up. Extortion, baby, whole career you been shook up. Cause Top told you drop it, give me 50 like some push-ups.
Ooh, stop and give me 50. Hey, me the boss. There's no top 3. I'm a #1.
Extortion, baby, whole career you been shook up. Cause Top told you drop it, give me 50 like some push-ups.
Rude.
Your last one brick, you really not on shit. They make excuses for you cause they hate to see me lit. Pull your contract cause we gotta see the split. The way you doing splits, bitch, your pants might rip.
Ooh. The man said, pull the contract, brother. Pull your contract where you sign with your company. Remember, you sign. Remember, say he is his own company. Drake is saying, I am my own company. Pussy, remember, say you sign. I would love to see the split. I would love to see the bag of money that you have to make for these record execs. I would.
one brick. You really not on shit. They make excuses for you cause they hate to see me lit. Pull your contract cause we gotta see the split. The way you doing splits, bitch, your pants might rip.
The man said the way you skin out, the way you split like some big bitch, your pants might rip. Cause remember say your pants tight. Remember say you have to go in some awkward position for your record execs. That is what Drake is saying, not me. Let's go.
No contract, cause we gotta see the split. The way you doing splits, bitch, your pants might rip.
Rude.
You better do that motherfucking show inside the bitty. Maroon 5 need a verse, you better make it witty. Then we need a verse for the Swifties. Top say drop, you better drop and give them 50.
Boom.
Pip squeak, pipe down, you ain't in no big three. Scissor got you wiped down. Travis.
Pip squeak. Pipe down. Calm down. Go and sit down over there in the corner. Rude. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Then we need a verse for the Swifties. Top say drop, you better drop and give them 50.
50.
Pip squeak, pipe down, you ain't in no big three. Scissor got you wiped down. Travis got you wiped down. Savage got you wiped down. Like it.
Everybody have your wipe down, brother. The man know your file. He knows your file. Who is he talking about here, guys? Who is this line going for? I don't know.
Three Scissor got you wiped down. Travis got you wiped down. Savage got you wiped down. Like your label, boy, you in a scope right now. And you gon' feel the aftermath of what I write down. I'm at the top of the mountain, so you tight now. Just that down. Savage got you wiped down. Like your label, boy, you in a scope right now. And you gon' feel the aftermath.
Like a label, boy, you're in a scope right now. That could mean two things. Is there a company name? Interscope? It could mean that, or it could mean you're in a scope right now. In a scope right now, ready for show.
Got you wiped down. Like your label, boy, you in a scope right now. And you gon' feel the aftermath of what I write down. I'm at the top of the mountain, so you tight now. Just to have this talk with your ass, I had to hike down. Big difference between Mike then and Mike now. What the fuck is this, a 20v1, nigga? What's a prince to a king? He a son, nigga.
What's a prince to a king? I'm son. Man, I tell you, say, listen to me. You see, you're the prince. Me are the king, brother. Yeah, I'm a son. Hey, son, come here. Pass the TV remote over there. No. Know yourself.
The fuck is this, a 20v1, nigga? What's a prince to a king? He a son, nigga. Get more love in the city that you from, nigga. Metro, shut your whole ass up and make some drums, nigga.
First of all, the man say, yo, me get more love in the city where you come from than you. The man say, not even your city love you. Nobody don't love you. Who is he talking here, guys? Leave me in the comment section. Who is he talking? Remember, I don't really react to American rap. Let me know who him attack. Who him get more love in this city than? Me get more love in this city than you, pussy. Remember, say you're not bad pussy. Remember, say you're soft. Yeah? Then him say, him tell somebody if you gonna shut them bitch ass up and go and go make some beats. You see someone come up. Go and go make some beats, man. Someone's coming. Fuck it, yes, I got move on there.
More love in the city that you from, nigga. Metro, shut your whole ass up and make some drums, nigga.
Metro, shut your ass. Metro, shut your ass and go make some drum. Remember, say that you do. Remember, you're a beat maker. So I shouldn't even be aiming after you because you can't go in the studio and write a track. Answer this. So shut your ass clat up and go and make some drums. Nigga.
Get more love in the city that you from, nigga. Metro, shut your whole ass up and make some drums, nigga. Yeah, I'm the sixth guy, I'm the front runner. Y'all nigga manager was Charles' little blunt runner. Clean the six.
Man, am I the sixth god? Am I the sixth god? Canada. Am I Canada god, brother? Am I the front runner, bro?
Sixth guy, I'm the front runner.
Yeah.
Y'all nigga manager was Charles' little blunt runner. Clean the six and you boys ain't even come from it. And when you boys got rich, you had to run from it.
When I claim 6, I don't even come from 6. I don't claim an area where I not come from, brother. I get rich and start run from an area like what are pussies, several cats, pussies.
I'm the sixth guy, I'm the front runner. Y'all nigga manager was Charles' little blunt runner. Clean the six and you boys ain't even come from it. And when you boys got rich, you had to run from it.
Oh.
Cash flowing, able bread out here tricking. Shit we do for bitches, he doing for niggas. Jets, whips, chains, wiki.
Should be doing for bitches what he doing for.
Boys got rich, you had to run from it. Cash blowing, able bread out here tricking. Shit we do for bitches, he doing for niggas. Jets, whips, chains, wiki. Spinning like you tryna fuck, boy, you trippin', Drizzy Chippendale, probably got your bitch Chanel. I just got them done, boy, don't make me at the Chippendale. Rolling
Ooh, rude.
change, wiki. Spinning like you tryna fuck, boy, you trippin', Drizzy Chippendale, probably got your bitch Chanel. I just got them done, boy, don't make me at the Chippendale. Rolling loud stage, I would turn, that was slick as hell. Shit'll probably change if it BM start to kiss and tell. Hugs and kisses, man, don't tell me about no switches. I be rocking every fucking chain I own, next visit, ayy. I be...
Man say, yo, nobody tell him about no switch, brother. Nobody tell him about no strap, brother. I can't do nothing. Furthermore, when I'm outside, I be rocking my chains, bro. Every chain on my own, because none of them can take one. Suck on the mother. That is what Drake is saying, not me.
This man don't tell me about no switches. I be rocking every fucking chain I own, next visit, ayy. I be with some bodyguards like Whitney. Top say, drop your little midget ass, better fucking...
I'll be with 7 bodyguards like Whitney, so that could mean two things that bar there. Let's hear it again.
With some bodyguards like Whitney, in every fucking chain I own, next visit, ayy. I be with some bodyguards like Whitney.
I'll be with some bodyguards like Whitney. Alright, so Whitney Houston bodyguard movie, that's a play upon word. Cause I remember say Kendrick Lamar wife name Whitney. Ah shit. Shots fired.
In every fucking chain I own, next visit, ayy. I be with some bodyguards like Whitney. Top say, drop your little midget ass, better fucking, ayy. Better drop and give me 50, ayy. Drop and give me 50.
Drop and give me 50, ayy.
Niggas really got me out here talking like I'm 50. Niggas really got me out here rapping what I'm living.
Ay.
I might take your latest girl and cuff her like I'm Ricky. Can't believe he jumping in, this nigga turning 50. Every song that made it on a chart he got from Drizzy. Spend that little check, you gotta stay up out my business, nigga.
Man say every song where you ever make it on the chart, you get it from Drizzy. Me you get it from. Know yourself. Remember say if me no shit, you cannot nyam. That is what the G is saying, not me.
Every song that made it on a chart he got from Drizzy. Spend that little check, you gotta stay up out my business, nigga. Shout out to the hooper that be busting out the gritty. We know why you mad, nigga, I ain't even tripping. All that little heartbroken Twitter shit for bitches. This for all the time.
Man say me know why you're mad, brother. I'm not even tripping. Who is he talking? I request him attack yourself. Man say me know why you're sad. Remember say me fuck your girl. Yeah. Dung in her throat. Dung in her belly. Me there. Yes.
Nigga, I ain't even tripping. All that little heartbroken Twitter shit for bitches. This for all the top dogs. Drop and give me 50. Drop. In that fucking song, y'all got to not start the beef with us. This shit been brewing in a pot, now I'm heating up. I don't care what Cole think, that dot shit was weak as fuck. Champagne tripping, he is not fucking easing up. Nigga calling top to see if top want a piece of it up. Top want a piece of it up. Top want a piece of it up. Nah, pussy, now you on your own when you speaking up. You don't roll deep to this, it's not fucking deep enough. Begging costs not, boy, you not fucking beating us. Numbers wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking creeping up. Money wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking sneaking up. Corn.
Yo, the boss are going, brother. Big up 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 also. Yo, the man said, brother, don't compare fee money and your money basically. Basically he's saying right here, bro, my money tall, your money not even mid. Your money is a midget compared to my money, so let's not compare money.
I'm out of here, you not fucking creeping up. Money wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking sneaking up.
Money wise, I'm out of here, you're not fucking sneaking up. Nope, you are not sneaking up on my riches, bro. Your riches and my riches are two different riches. Your riches spelled with M, my riches spelled with B. Billions pussy. That's what the G said. Not me.
Wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking creeping up. Money wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking sneaking up. Cornball, your show money, merch money, feed us. I'ma let.
Ooh, come about your show money. The man say your show money and merch money for him. The payment that you're getting for shows, that is what he's spending on merch. No. The money that you're getting for shows, that is what he's making off merch only. So the money what you're collecting for each shows, he's getting that and merch. That's disrespectful. That's rude.
Boy, you not fucking beating us. Numbers wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking creeping up. Money wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking sneaking up. Cornball, your show money, merch money, feed us. I'ma let you niggas work it out because I seen enough. This ain't even everything I know, don't wait the demon up.
Ooh! Me I gonna make Uno work this out, you know. Cause here what? Uno don't want this fire, yeah. You don't want the line to start roaring, you know. Him say him know a lot more than when him just talks a while ago, you know. So he's saying leave him alone. Him say leave him alone. If you don't want to sleep in dog and wake up, leave it alone.
This ain't even everything. I know, don't wait the demon up. Drop and give me 50, all you fuck niggas teaming up.
What type of you smoking on Kendrick?
Yeah, drop a 50 bag for the mob in a spot. Drop a 50 bag, 29 for the thought. I was really trying to keep it PG.
Really like to check it? No, you wasn't. No, you was not trying to keep it PG, Drake. From the start, you start your fuckery. You're not trying to keep nothing upon PG. Hear me, I say. Guys, I know quite a few stuff went over my head. Let me know in the comment section, please. Alright? Don't assume that I know everything that he said and just let it slide. No. Let me know what he's talking about in the comment section. Who he's talking about. Jesus Christ. Drake is standing on business while out here standing on business. Yo! Drizzy, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Obviously, this all started when Kendrick album dropped, when some man dropped some song at EMR for him. So him just fouled out and does disrespect. Who forget disrespect. So guys, what can I say? Leave in the comment section what you guys think about this, please. If you're new around here, please drop a sub for us. We really appreciate that. Drop a like on the video. And like I said, let me know what is going on in the comment section, because I know a lot of it went over my head. Explain, break down what is happening for me in the comment section. I don't mind. I will sit there and read the paragraph what I've commented. All right? I'll catch you guys in the next one, though. Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.